If you see Wi-Fi does not have a valid IP configuration error on Windows, your computer isn't getting the correct IP address from your router, which stops you from connecting to the internet. So this is often due to network conflicts, driver issues, or problems with your router, but you can usually fix it. This guide provides you troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. First, go ahead and restart your devices. Restart both your computer and your router and the modem as well, as a simple restart can often fix temporary network problems. Now release and renew your IP address. Press Windows key plus R in your computer. Type CMD to open command prompt. Here, simply enter ipconfig/release. And after this, enter ipconfig/renew. Hit enter and close the command prompt and check if your connection is working. Now open the command prompt as an administrator. Now type in netsh winsog reset. Hit enter on your keyboard, and after this type in netsh int ip reset and hit enter in your keyboard. After this, restart your computer and test your Wi-Fi connection. Now again press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type in ncpa.cpl and hit enter in your keyboard. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Double-click on the Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IP and go to its properties. And make sure that obtain an IPv6 address is selected automatically. Now you need to press Windows key plus X on your keyboard. Then select Device Manager. After this, expand the network adapters and right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver, and then click on Search automatically for drivers. After this, restart your computer after the driver update. Forget your Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.